Hey you guys, picked up a new color from Family Dollar. I just wanted to share with you guys really quick. I used it yesterday on my mani. You guys can see it's really pretty. I liked it because it was bright. I showed it in one of my Family Dollar videos and I was like, I'm coming back for this color, and this is the color. I had to go back and get it. It is the L.A.Colors Color Craze Gel Like Shine, no UV needed, and it is in the color Flashy. It was just $2. And I love neon nail polishes. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter and brighter than it is. It's a little darker than I expected, but I still like it. It turned out pretty. I did my accent nail with China Glaze. Yeah, China Glaze. And then the glitter is also China Glaze. I think Point Me to the Party. And I believe it glows in the dark too. But yeah, I wanted to come on and share my newest color with you guys. Flashy. I did the accent nail orange. It's also orange on this hand. This one has orange and purples and greens. This one has like orange and pinks in it.